been asking for. Hey, this is horrible. How low?
And how are you supposed to prepare for something like this?
You gotta keep your head on a swivel at all times, Cole.
Referee signals for the bell, and we are finally underway.
These superstars are seeing red right now, gentlemen.
Into a double knee drop.
She goes for the quick pin. She's able to kick out before the refs count.
She's trying to get this thing done as quickly as possible.
Dangerous knee on the button. Oosh.
Leaning her into the corner now.
Back elbow.
Did you see that?
Drop kick to the face.
She's psyching herself up now. Vicious, downright savage club right there.
Oh, what a shot. This beating is taking its toll on her.
Roundhouse takes them down.
She's in total control at the moment.
And now she has to maintain this energy. Keep it going.
Ooh. Taking this fight back into the ring. Right in the jaw. Oh, what a shot.
Dismantling the arm in the corner. Gotta hurt. That arm's gonna be sore for a while. Could affect all their offense.
Face first. Look, they've got their opponent's leg trapped.
Oh, no. An ankle breaker.
Puts the boot to the midsection. Oh, my gosh.
Kick to the midsection. Sunset flip.
Turns it into a pin attempt. Shoulder up, and the referee ends the count.
Getting the shoulder up before 2 tells me the end is not near. No way.
Suicide dive.
Took a massive risk, but it might have paid off.
Heading to the top now.
Here we go.
You gotta be kidding me.
From up top, right onto the target outside.
That is kicking things into a whole new gear. A handstand
Into the knee drop.
She's being derailed here.
Yeah, you can see the physical cost of this match.
Oh. She could be on her way to a countout. Sliding into the ring now. Heading out, but needs to be aware of the referee's count.
Oh my goodness!
Dynamite leaping tombstone. Beautiful. Right into the cover. 2. That's a surprising move from her here.
Brought down with a roundhouse.
And she's in a bad way here.
She's definitely got to try something new here.
Oh, unique offense.
Party's over. Good night.
She faked her off.
Kicking out in time.
She just won't stay down. Look at this, just unloading. Oh, a nasty stomp to finish it off.
She's really starting to feel the effects of this match. Into a German.
Rising to her feet, and she's going to be met with something fierce.
Oh, big mistake, and that error could be costly. First. Oh my goodness!
Dynamite leaping tombstone.
She's looking to go top rope here.
Uh-oh.
Double foot stomp. Following it up with the cover.
2. This is just barbaric.
She's got something wicked in mind.
And an answer from her. Armringer.
The counter with a knuckle sandwich.
Got flipped upside down there. And she's just pouring on the offense now.
Yeah, she won't let up anytime soon.
Blow after blow, hit after hit. Somehow these women just keep going.
Their drive, their will to keep fighting can't be extinguished.
What a way to get out of that one.
Oh, the knee directly into the...
Vicious knees and kicks back here. My goodness. Ooh, man.
And that changes this match in a big way.
Cover. Oh, kick out at 2.
It was almost all over for her. It does not get much closer to 3 than that.
And you see a perplexed look now for how such impactful offense couldn't gain a pinfall. Wow, that hurt.
A handstand into a double knee drop.
And now propped up in the corner. Now lifted onto the top turnbuckle. High risk here.
I don't know what more we could see in this match. From the top.
High risk. Hurricane Rana from the top.
That was awesome, Cole.
Climbing up the turnbuckle here.
Lift off.
Crash landing.
Her legs are wobbling, but that's the least of her problems.
Setting their opponent up.
That could have just wrapped this one up. Turning it into the pin.
2 count. What a performance and what a win.
Here is your winner.
Sharon's the W against fierce competition.
This really felt like it was about more than